Step 9, hiring applicant. Okay, we are going to hire the applicant that we have created on the previous step. It's going to be inside human resources, personnel management, administration, HR master data, personnel action. Okay, now if you notice here, there is some information here, but this is information that is on the previous step. Now I'm going to be hiring someone for the position of security guard. This is different, so this is not true. Okay, now the first part that we need to enter is basically enter the first date of last month. Okay, done. And then leave the field of personnel number empty because currently we are hiring. Just now 315 is already hired this person here. Now after this is empty, this is already defined, press on enter. Okay, now you notice the screen is different. It's ready for hiring applicant. Now choose the personal action hire applicant. Okay, before this we use hiring TE mini master. Now we're going to be using hiring applicant. Search for it. Hire applicant. Okay, now you need to insert personnel group. Personnel area is going to be DL00. Okay, and then employee group, we're going to insert 1, and also employee subgroup, we're going to be inserting U4. Okay, after you insert those 3 values and then choosing on the hire applicant, press on execute. Okay, now on the direct data transfer, please enter the number of your applicant. Okay, if you are not sure, then please do not use this part here. Open here and then go to human resource, personnel management, recruitment, applicant master data, display. Before this, if you already searched, then you already know. Currently, mine is still there. It's supposed to be 151. So I'm going to close this. Applicant number is 151. Okay, and then click on transfer button. Okay, notice here, data transfer for Zaini Umar. Okay, position. Press on enter. Hire applicant. So in the screen create action, find the position of security guard. So here we're going to find the position of security guard. Search term, I'm going to use **005. Enter, and then I'm going to choose security guard. 005 security guard. Double click. Wait for it. Okay, it's already been populated. So next, what you do is click on save. Record has been created. So what you need to insert next, write down the personnel number. Please remember this is going to be 316. Please remember that. In terms of for HR, F4 or search up is quite complex for first time user. So please remember this 316. For mine, for yours could be different. Now on this screen, create personal data. We're going to insert the social security number. It's going to be something different. Just copy paste from the lab exercise case studies. Currently for mine is going to be 918526. I'm going to insert 005. Okay, and then we're going to be pressing on enter, and then the other personal data that has been transferred from the applicant from the database. Okay, now this part here, we're going to just have the SSN number, Social Security number. Instruction is basically press on enter. So save your entries, press on save. Okay, record has been created. Now we are at the screen of create organizational assignment. You can save on this screen without any changes. Press on save. Okay, now on this part here, we're going to be inserting the date. Is basically first date of last month. Okay, now press on yes. Okay, record has been created. Now we are currently on create addresses. Okay, now you can save on this screen because there are no more changes. Okay, the next screen is going to be on the text area. Okay, currently on this part, okay, start date, no problem. We're going to use the first day of last month. I'm not sure why this thing hasn't been changed. Click on enter just to make sure that everything is being saved. Okay, now we are at resident text area, the next part of the information that we need to save. Now for this part here, we're supposed to be inserting tax, state of Texas, TX. So choose this one. Okay, and then press on enter. Save your entry. Save it. Okay, record created. Okay, for my case, it doesn't really transfer to any screen. So create residence text area, supposed to go there, but currently mine is still here, so it's not really changing. So I'm going to try to save again. Okay, record, save. Now create unemployment state. This one, I'm guessing if it's not being stated inside the exercise, we can skip on this. Okay, save. Okay, now this is one part. Create resident text area. It's already being mentioned inside the instruction. It's still going to be the same. State of Texas. Click on save again. Okay, enter. Save. Save. Okay, we're supposed to be inserting create bank detail, but I'm guessing it's not going to that screen. Seems like I'm stuck here. It's currently on the text area. Okay, but finally after a few rounds, currently it's going to the create bank detail. Okay, now similar. If it's not going there, try to click on enter, click on save. If there is no error and only warning, you can just proceed. Now we are at the create bank detail. There are no changes, but we need to insert enter your system user ID in the last info type and save once again. Okay, now this part here, there is nothing. No changes. Click on save. Create communication. No changes. Okay. Currently, because currently this email is already being used, so no problem here. Yes. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully there are some inputs that we didn't insert, but hopefully it's not going to be making our life miserable for the future steps. Okay, so that's it.